to the extent that a social worker be, I think what my lord said, to some extent, I think the doctor informed the parents, but the rest of the report we've not seen.
No, will be.
Yes.
We'll ask them to furnish a
Yes.
copy of it
Yes.
also.
May
I think let as per the recommendation, let it go on.
Let it go on. In fact, I only wanted to say whenever we can see the report, and if my lords want to fix a date for arguments, or maybe after this also, that is fine. I think some 7 or 8 sessions they've recommended.
After that, you can submit,
Very
make
well.
your
In fact,
basing on the report.
yes, and the same visitations can go on. In fact, they asked the parents, I mean, they asked the mother what she's doing. With regard to the child, she did mention that she's going to another counselor, but if they suggest here, she has no difficulty to continue on an outpatient basis.
That's what they said.
Which they have said. I'll just confirm whatever they said.
Your Lordship.
Mondays or Thursdays, she'll see it. So that that should be after school. Yeah, except if a partner in her exams after school, I think enhance is not available after school. No, whatever it is, if there is some logistical issue, they can work it out if she has some exams, I think. But I think after the exam should be over now, there should be vacations. So I think that should be fine. That should be fine. If my lords gives us the copy, she'll know what days they have recommended. We can do that. There's no
Lordship, no, they didn't say anything because, it's just waste of time. Again, another thing, what they said was, it is only on OPD on Mondays and Thursdays, and she required that for 6 to 8 sessions. That's it.
That's fine. No, we have no difficulty. If there is a specific time for OPD, she will just check that it is not interfering with her
pass an
exams.
order, also considering the child's school and other things.
Yes, that's
Let
all.
them give a date. Anyhow, it won't be in the evening or the night. How it is feasible to the child.
Your
Because
Lordship.
the doctors have to work.
Yes,
time
doctors.
frame.
Only thing is, should not
Your
come in the way of her exams.
My time.
There are exams
My time.
that can be
Okay, just
accomplished.
for all of this, yes, Your Lordship, it has to go on, might go on. I have filed an application for change in custody until such time that Your Lordship decides. Reason being, one is the orders passed by the lower court wherein shared custody was granted, but I was granted from morning to evening at her residence. We wanted it slightly modified because all along both were co-parenting in half-half completely, where he was taking care of the child from when the child was few months old up to 2023. Suddenly it changed. We came before this, Your Lordship, for change in that wherein I needn't be in her house all the time. During this period, she conveniently shifted her residence where we were both opposite to each other. After that, Your Lordship has the detailed orders that Your Lordship has passed. One was to overcome the order in the lower court where in the morning she filed an objection, evening she filed POCSO case. Where none of those details were mentioned in the morning, but evening suddenly POCSO arises. That order, that entire matter FIR has been quashed. Reasoning in that also is clearly stated that it is to overcome certain things here. Your Lordship has also passed very detailed orders where the child was asked by Your Lordship felt that the child was saying things only because she was worried that the custody of the mother would be taken away, all of that. Now, every time we have an order, it is being watered down so badly that now in the presence of strangers, he has to be with his child when it is clearly held that there is no POCSO case. Now, what happens is that every time the mother seems to get away with false cases being filed, and I would request Your Lordship to finally lay down the law in this matter, which could be followed in all other matters, which would act as a deterrent where the ladies are not allowed to file such heinous crimes and make it seem so frivolous just to overcome some order by this court. And it's very, very cruel on the part of the mother to do this to the father. Now, Your Lordship even mentioned that suo motu, there should be some kind of contempt filed as against her. That again was not recorded in the next date of hearing. Contempt did not come to be initiated. Now, she was to ensure that the child, whatever orders that Your Lordship passed in NIMHANS, that was not being followed. Twice, there was complete disobedience of Your Lordship's order. Then she comes and says, the child is not comfortable, I won't do it. Then she goes and finds her own counselor, a private one in a private hospital. Now that person's not even a psychiatrist, it's a psychologist. That is also being accepted by this honorable court, which means they have scant regard for Your Lordship's orders. We will do what we want, and that has to be followed. Your Lordship, that cannot be ordered because we have to have some respect for this Honorable Court's orders. Your Lordship, contempt is not. She overcomes. She is able to find such a heinous crime and then get away with it. Your Lordship, if she's filed something as cruel as POCSO against the husband and that's been
No,
quashed,
because there is a malafide.
intention is there.
Have-
So,
they
Your
have a
Lordship,
remedy.
all I'm
That, in
asking
fact,
is,
he has
no, no,
already
no. Can I
commenced that
finish?
remedy.
I didn't interrupt.
No, he
All
has
I'm
already
saying is
commenced
that
that remedy.
I have come with an order from the lower court where I had 3 days in a week, whole day with the child, and that has been overcome. And all the orders have been watered down, where now even the ink cannot be traced. Your Lordship, all I ask is I filed an application, let them file objections. Matter could be heard in finality. Meanwhile, all these, what is happening in Enhance is very good for all of them. Let the parents also take part as they have suggested. Let those reports come in gradually. But meanwhile, this cannot be used.
No. Please understand. When the girl is saying something like, when everybody is around, she says that my father is doing that and this. Do you think that the girl's state of mind is normal?
No,
You
no,
want,
yes,
you
that
want a, you want a healthy, you want
You want a healthy
your
child.
welfare of your child, or you want custody at any cost?
No. The child, Your Lordship, ultimately is being tutored. So who needs the treatment? It's the mother that needs the treatment.
My
The
lords
child
are-
is ultimately following what the mother
There are
says.
several
Now,
hearings. My
one
friend
minute.
has not been
No,
there.
1 minute. Then they file an affidavit, which they just served as a copy. Details of what transpires in each hearing. What they're saying is, child came in, the child came off outside without, even though they tried to talk, she refused to talk. Even I asked what happened, she refused to be there, she came. Now, all of this is stage managed and we know, we are all aware of it. I understand Your Lordship wants a good frame of mind for the child and we would also want it. That's why this should continue. But the person who deserves it the most is getting away scot-free, Your Lordship. Let her be directed that if she can go around to such depths to ensure that the father doesn't get the child, then she's the one who needs evaluation. Yes, the child definitely needs a better environment to be told what is to be done. That we want to continue. Absolutely no. But if Your Lordship's orders are disregarded, then I'm not acceptable, Your Lordship. When Your Lordship has made so many observations, I just went through all of that. But conveniently everything. How does she decide to go to a private psychiatrist, Your Lordship? Your Lordship had said NIMHANS. And Your Lordship had said they should be inpatient. None of that is being followed, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship kindly goes back to the earlier orders and asks them why are these not being followed, they don't get to decide or dictate terms to this Honorable Court. And now they file affidavit. I have filed an application that till such time all of this happens, shift in custody automatically
Give the custody to whom?
to the father and Your Lordship, there would be a complete
basis?
change.
On what basis the custody
Yes.
should
On the
be-
what
should be-
basis, since there's
uh,
already a complete hearing by the lower court also stating how comfortable the child is. Now, to overcome all these orders, now suddenly all of this is happening. Your Lordship has also observed what the child stated.
No,
Now,
whatever you're saying about the mother,
please.
as well true, as at the same time, all is not well with the father also.
Your Lordship
Exactly.
might kindly say where we need to correct. We'll correct ourselves
He
immediately.
never understands how to deal with a situation like this. All the time, what he wants is, even the videos and all. You might
Videos,
have
he's
seen.
trying to hug the
Is this the
child.
way-
Are trying.
Is that the way a father deal with the child who is already in a different state of mind? So it is not about the fighting for the custody. Now, once the NIMHANS place a report before this court, then neither know why this court has not taken a stringent action against the mother is the reason. As an inpatient, keeping a child there for so many days and under the circumstances, I'm told like they're not maintaining even I
hygienic
spoke
way.
with the
Right.
director NIMHANS also. That's why like.
No, we don't want the child
No,
there. I'm
but your
talking about the
client,
mother,
no,
Your
that's
Lordship.
what your client wants. He
not
was saying that let her be there, let her be there.
No.
That's not right.
No.
He is not fighting it is not about fighting for the child, nor fighting the wife under the guise of this. No,
No.
ultimately the welfare of the child is more
It's of
important.
paramount
If
importance.
you look
Yes.
at the girl, if they look at the girl, she's definitely not normal. First of all, that has to be answered.
Your Lordship, then who would be responsible? Because it's not
That
under
we
the
will see, that
guidance
we
of the
will see.
father that she's not normal.
No. If given an opportunity, the girl, let the doctors interact with her, find out that these are all the reasons for this. then we will take an action.
And if
We
they've
cannot
advised
assume and
this-
presume
Your Lordship,
who is
your
responsible for
Lordship
that.
already noticed her behavior. Lordship,
No, no,
Lordship
this
has
is
noticed the pattern as to what extent she could go to. Then wouldn't it be correct, Your Lordship,
No,
in other
ultimately,
matters,
all
it's
said
always
and done.
evaluation.
All said and done, while exercising the parent patria jurisdiction, the ultimate this thing of the court is the welfare of the minor.
please.
So first, let us first
Let us address
ensure that
Let us
the
address
minor
that.
is mentally and physically, by all means, what is her state of mind and what is required in her interest.
Could I
So
request
that
that
is-
parallelly, we are also put, Your Lordship is saying even the fathers or, so why, parallelly,
It is the
the
other
parents
way, if it is
also.
the allegations and things are like in a normal phase, definitely court would have said, let us experiment on that, but
Correct.
not under these
No,
circumstances.
and in,
That's all I'm saying is, since the child's also undergoing, if the mother's also put through it, there's nothing
No,
wrong
what
in
is
that, Your
this? You
Lordship, because
can't
Your Lordship
subject
has
me
noticed, Your
to-
Lordship's not
I'm
disagreeing
sorry,
on that aspect.
he wants to undergo,
No,
he
no,
can undergo
no.
any counseling.
Your Lordship,
He's free to undergo any counseling.
Your Lordship, all we are stating is.
No,
that-
they're also interacting with the parents. Doctors are not, if they find that something is not well with any of them, that will also
In
be.
fact,
put
Lordship,
prior
there
to the
could be a-
last, I
if
want
there
to
could
just
be
make a
find-
submit.
If there could be a report which the NIMHANS is submitting based on what is the influence of the parents on the child also, that would also be helpful, Your Lordship. Please.
NIMHANS knows what report to submit. We are not here to dictate. In fact, prior to the last session, both parents were called. Prior to that, when the doctors were interacting with the child, the father kept writing to the doctor saying, I want to meet you, I want to meet you, I want to say things. The doctors did not entertain that and only called the parents whenever they felt.
I
it
think in
was-
all these matters,
Yes.
in all these problem of child custody and all, the parents should be sent for counseling. I
Yes,
think that
yes,
should be the best.
yes.
Let them both parents be sent.
Both I'm
Both
saying.
parents,
I
because
didn't say
allegations
It's
are
not
made.
about one. Both of
Allegations
them
are
are
made.
not. Both of them are not all right. If they're all right, things would have settled much.
Therefore,
long
allegations
back.
cannot be just made on one side that this is
So
happening.
where
that
is the court
happening.
saying that?
No, not the court. Not the court. I'm
That's-
talking about
No,
Corpus
the court
Bar,
is
not
referring
the
to
court.
both the parents. First
Not
of
the
all, they
court.
should be psychologically and by all means, they should be fit to take care of all these things.
No,
I think let the doctors conduct the counseling for both of them
Yes,
also.
please, please,
let,
please.
let the
Because
Yes,
anyhow they're going to, anyhow they're
no,
going to
ultimately the doctors, whatever they recommend, my lords asked us the last time. My friend has not been here on the last 2-3 hearings. This honorable court asked, let them go for 4 weeks.
Because that's
We
the
have done
practice.
that.
No, that the
Yes,
practice in all these matrimonial and this child custody matters. Every senior counsel on every occasion.
No. In fact, it breaks the continuity because my lords have stated some things have happened in the last few hearings. These 4 weeks were done. Now, based on the report, whatever else is advised, as my lords
Doesn't
say, we
break
will
any
continue.
continuity, it breaks the watered down orders, and that is what
That
they
is
have
for
a
the court
problem
to
with at this
protect.
point of time.
That is for
I
the
have
court.
seen
They are
all
in
the
my
orders,
lord's, hands.
exceptionally good orders that have been recorded, which they somehow find a way to get away with. And that is what their problem
Are they
is,
alleging
what
that
I
the
am
court
saying
is
here.
helpless?
No,
Are
no,
they
no.
alleging
The
that the
court
court is helpless?
Yeah,
We are in the hands of
no,
this
we
honorable
understand
court.
what she's attempting to do at this point of time. Your Lordship always says, let the parents also
No,
submit
whatever both
themselves.
of you attempt to do, but I'll understand the facts as it is.
Of
Please,
course.
Your Lordship,
Yes,
all
my
we are
lord.
asking is let the parents also be
Come,
put to.
please come. I'll ask them to give a report to both
Copy of
the
it.
parties.
Yes,
Please. And both the parents also.
And
if they-
my lords,
Yes.
can I just may I just my lords?
In that I'll not order any notice or objections.
No, that's fine. And may just an affidavit of all the visitations. I've served them a copy. Can
File it in the registry. Anyone
file
who's
it.
going to look at it now.
no.
As per the
urgency.
earlier order passed by the court. Order dated 4/2/2025. A report is placed before the court by the Director NIMHANS. The report reads thus, as it is completely pasted. As per the recommendations, the NIMHANS has made the recommendation that 1 and 2 again. As per the above recommendation, the child shall undergo the 6 to 8 sessions that is on Mondays and Thursdays, as fixed by the NIMHANS. NIMHANS, while fixing the sessions, shall also take into consideration the exams or other activity, exams of the child, and accordingly fix the sessions. Next para. The both the while giving while the girl is undergoing the sessions, the NIMHANS should also assess the influence of both the father and the mother on the child, and both of them shall also be counseled simultaneously, and a report shall be placed before the court after the sessions are completed. Registry is directed to give a copy of this report to both the councils.
Your Lordship,
List this matter after the report is received from the NIMHANS.
Your Lordship,
Would my lord
time
set
this
a date?
visitation,
Uh-huh.
Till such time this visitation.
The same visitation. Same.
You'll be meeting there. You'll be meeting and interacting there.
Yes, the
Every
same
time he's
visitation
present,
as
he'll be
last
there in
week.
the NIMHANS. On
This-
every session of the girl, the father will also be present